everyone, welcome to today's session. Let us start by giving you all a quick brief on what Octanet is. So, Tech Octanet is a budding startup headquartered in Bhubaneswar, specializing in IT solutions across diverse sectors including e-commerce, real estate, automation, and personalized business application. Our primary focus is to provide affordable services to startups, aiding them into their digital initiatives. In addition to our core services, we are expanding into the corporate training sector, aiming to equip future corporate employees with a solid foundation. We also address student needs by identifying academic project requirements, internship opportunities, and offering comprehensive solutions. We are proud to be incorporated as an organization with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, registered with MSME, and approved by AICTE for internship programs. Also, our commitment to quality is underscored by ISO 9001 2015 certification, ensuring that every project we undertake reaches highest standards of excellence. Okay, thank you so much. That was all. Let us now stage our instructor and start today's session.
Hello. Hello. Good evening, everyone. I'm Lucky Roshan, and I will be your mentor for this batch. So, let's not waste any more time and start our topic. So today we are going to learn Java from basics, and from basics we'll go to the advanced Java up to Spring Boot and using Hibernate. So, what is Java? Coming to the introduction of Java, ठीक है, तो हम चलते हैं फिर जावा के इंट्रोडक्शन पे। Java is a high-level object-oriented and platform-independent programming language which is developed by Sun Microsystem. तो जावा क्या है? जावा एक हाई लेवल प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है जो कि ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड है। तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है? हाई लेवल मतलब हम इसको बाइनरी कोड में नहीं लिखते हैं, हम इसको लिखते हैं इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में, तो इसलिए इसे कहते हैं हाई लेवल। सो हमें कमेंट्स भी आए हैं। राज रोशन हेलो, मानसी रावल, सरोज, हरेश खान हेलो। अच्छा लग रहा है देख के कि बच्चे आ रहे हैं पढ़ने के लिए। तो और भी बच्चे आए तो और अच्छा होगा। तो हम चलते हैं, कंटिन्यू करते हैं अपने। तो शुरू करने से पहले क्या मैं जान सकता हूँ कि यहाँ पे किस किस को पहले से जावा आता है? तो हम थोड़ा इसको इंटरेक्टिव बनाएंगे इस सेशन को, और कमेंट सेक्शन में भी हम देखेंगे कौन कौन रिप्लाई करते हैं। हम क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे और कमेंट सेक्शन में इंटरेक्ट करेंगे सबके सामने। तो क्या मैं जान सकता हूँ कि यहाँ पे कितने लोगों को जावा आता है? सुजीत कुमार सेड मी, ठीक है, वेरी गुड। और कौन कौन है? कॉमन गाइड्स, लेट्स कमेंट। राज रोशन, यस, कमेंट करो गाइज। आप लोग अगर ऐसे कमेंट नहीं करेंगे तो मैं बोर हो जाऊंगा फिर। हरेश खान, ठीक है, अच्छा लग रहा है देख के कि हमें बच्चों को जावा आता है, बहुत अच्छा है। सोनाली, अच्छा है। सागर, बेसिक्स, ठीक है, हम बेसिक्स से ही शुरू कर रहे हैं भाई। आई नो कोड जावा, डोंट वरी सरोज, हम कोड जावा से सीधा एडवांस में ही जाएंगे यहाँ पे। ठीक है, तो हम अभी इंट्रोडक्शन पे थे, तो हमें आएंगे अमिताभ साबत, मी, वेरी गुड। तो हम इंट्रोडक्शन में थे। तो जावा क्या है? जावा एक हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज है। हाई लेवल मतलब मैंने अभी क्या बोला कि हम इसको इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में लिखते हैं, ठीक है। इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज मतलब हम लिखेंगे, सपोज हम लिखेंगे प्रिंट, प्रिंट को ये 01 में नहीं लिखते, हम इंग्लिश में लिखते हैं, तो इसलिए इसको कहते हैं हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज, ठीक है। प्लेटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडेंट का मतलब क्या है? प्लेटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडेंट का मतलब है कि जावा को हम किसी भी सिस्टम में, किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म में चला सकते हैं। अगर किसी का विंडोज ओएस है, किसी का लिनक्स ओएस है, तो ऐसा कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, हर प्लेटफॉर्म में हमारा जावा चलेगा, ठीक है। तो ये किसने डेवलप किया था ना? सन माइक्रो सिस्टम में डेवलप हुआ था। और इसे बनाया था जेम्स गॉसलिंग ने, ठीक है। और क्या है ना, जावा एक ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड लैंग्वेज है। इसका मतलब क्या है ना, एवरीथिंग इन जावा रिजॉल्व्स अराउंड क्लासेस एंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स। अब एक क्लासेस और ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है ये हम थोड़ा आगे पढ़ेंगे, अभी के लिए हम थोड़े बेसिक्स में चलते हैं, ठीक है। अभी हम देखते हैं कि जावा के फीचर्स क्या है। जावा के फीचर्स, पहला फीचर तो है कि जावा बहुत सिंपल है, इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड है और क्लीन सिंटैक्स है, ठीक है। और फिर एक फीचर आता है ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड, जो अभी मैंने बोला, जो हम आगे पढ़ने वाले हैं पूरे डिटेल में, ठीक है। अभी उसके बाद आता है प्लेटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडेंट। ये भी मैंने अभी बोला कि जावा हर एक ओएस में चल सकता है, ठीक है। और जावा का एक सबसे मेन फीचर है जो है एक सिक्योर। जावा बहुत ही सिक्योर लैंग्वेज है, इसलिए वो हाई लेवल इंडस्ट्री स्टैंडर्ड में यूज होता है, ठीक है। अब जावा का एक और फीचर आता है जिसको हम कहते हैं कि मल्टी थ्रेडेड। मल्टी थ्रेडेड का मतलब क्या है कि वो एक टाइम में बहुत सारे टास्क साइमल्टेनियसली परफॉर्म कर सकता है, ठीक है। जैसे कि मान लो ये मेरा एक लैपटॉप है, इसमें मैंने ब्रेव ब्राउजर खोल दिया, ठीक है। यहाँ पे मेरा ब्रेव खुला हुआ है और यहाँ पे मैंने ओपन किया है मेरा माइक्रोसॉफ्ट स्टोर, ठीक है। तो ये दोनों काम एक साथ चल रहे हैं, तो इसे कहते हैं हम मल्टीटास्किंग। तो सेम चीज है, जावा हमारा है एक मल्टी थ्रेडेड लैंग्वेज, तो जो कि मल्टीपल टास्क को एक साथ कर को बहुत बूस्ट कर देता है, ठीक है। तो जावा का परफॉर्मेंस बहुत ही हाई रहता है। तो ठीक है, अभी हम जावा को देखेंगे कैसे कि इंस्टॉल करते हैं। तो पहले हम आएंगे, रंजित टी, आई डोंट नो हिंदी सर, डोंट वरी रंजित, आई विल बी टॉकिंग इन इंग्लिश ऑल्सो फ्रॉम समटाइम्स। तो ठीक है, लेट्स गो टू हाउ टू इंस्टॉल जावा। Search for JDK download. You can see it here on the screen. So here we got the download latest JDK Java LTS free version. Click here, and here we get to see Java 25 and Java 21. Here it is written that Java 21 is the previous long-term support and 25 is the latest long-term support. Always remember, students, always download the long-term support because it gives the bugless and very clear codes and no errors, right? Then here in your system, if you have Linux or macOS or Windows, according to your system, you can download it the Java. And in Windows, we should download the exe file, and MSC file you can download, but exe file it will be easier. Screen is not shared. Okay, let me check. Okay, can you see now? Is the screen shared now? Hello? Please reply me. Raj Roshan. Is the screen visible? Anyone, kindly please reply me. Yes, thank you. So let me tell you again. Here in the new tab, we can go to google.com, and here we can write search for JDK download. So here is the Oracle website for Java, and we can go for the Java downloads. Here is the Java 25, JDK 25 and JDK 21. So according to our distribution, mine is Windows, so we can download from here. Here is the exe file, we can click it, and now we have to save it. Then it will start downloading here. After downloading, we have to click the next button to save it. It means just download it, and you student, I expect you to download it with me, and it will be better if you already have it. Please comment who have installed the Java. Raise your hand, guys. Hello, am I audible? Sagar Moria, you have installed Java, very good. Anyone installed the Java? Amitabh Sabat, very good. It's good to see that you guys are actually working here. Shruti, yeah. Nice to see you, Shruti. So let's continue. After we install Java, let's go to the, it is installed in the program file, like as you see. Here in the downloads, after it is downloaded, we can directly open it here. So install it with me. Click yes for the permission. It is preparing to install. There is nothing a rocket science in it, so we can just click the next and it will automatically install the Java. Let's wait for it to get installed. Debisi Prasad Mansi Rao already installed. Very good. It's good to see you guys active. Close. So after we successfully install the Java, let's plus R on your keyboard and type CMD to open the command prompt and type Java -- version. So see, it is giving me Java 25 long-term support means LTS. Are you guys having it? Kajal Moraskar, yes. Did you guys check the Java version? If you got the Java, then you can also check for the Java C, that is Java compiler version. You can check it. It shows me Java 6.25. Okay. Did you complete it? Any guys, did you install the Java? Okay, so let's move to the IDE format. So you can use any IDE. I have here IntelliJ IDEA, NetBeans IDE, or Spring Tool Suite. You can, or Eclipse. You can use any IDE. I will prefer the IntelliJ IDEA for the basics. So let's download the IntelliJ IDEA. Move a new tab and type google.com. Here, let's search for IntelliJ IDEA download. From the first JetBrains website, IntelliJ. Don't click this download because it is the ultimate paid version. Scroll to the down, and here it is the community version. Just click on download and your download gets started. After I'm waiting 1 minute for your installation, then open it and it will show like here. I'm removing the existing project so that you can relate like new one. Remove. Okay. So it will show like this once I've installed it. Debi Prasad, Debi Sri Prasad. Okay. Yes. After installing the IntelliJ IDEA, we can click on new project and it shows the option Java. Here is the Maven archetype and Spring we are going to learn later. But for now, let's consider for Java title. Let's name it day one. And it is Maven. Then we can create the project. Artifact ID not needed, I think. Okay. White spaces are not allowed. Okay, let's name it day one. Remove the white spaces. Then create. See, this is the main.java, our code. Okay, it is the AI. Let me off the AI where it is. Or click hint. Actually, I don't know where to turn off the AI. Okay, let's forget it. This is the basic sample of code, or just let's remove it. Direct write package org dot example. It is not mandatory as the folder is org.example. That's why I'm writing here package org.example. And let's create a class, public class main, then PSVM for public static void main is out. Let's say hello world. Okay, now you might think here is a lot of code and you don't need to be scared as we are going to learn it step by step. But for now, just focus on this line. Okay, this is the line that prints the output. Okay, here we can run it. It is building, and here we get the output as hello world. Okay, let me know in the comment section, everyone. Did you get here? I need response, guys. Everyone watching the video, please tell me how far have you gone. Sorry, Moria, yes, kindly please tell me how far have you gone? I want everyone to write the code and run it here so that I get to know you guys are actually doing it with me. Shruti, yeah. Okay, Shruti, very good. Amitabh Sabat, yes. You guys have completed with this one. Ranjit T, yes, very good. So here are many things that is a public and here is the class. They are in different colors. The main is in white color. Then there is a static void. There are very different kinds of keywords. We will log every. Sir, हम notepad में करेगी तो होगा ना? Yes, you can also do it in notepad. Okay, let me tell you how to do it in notepad. First of all, you have to go to the file explorer or this PC in your computer. Listen carefully. You have to go to this PC in your computer, then go to C drive, then open the program file section. In C drive, open the program file section, then search for Java here. Then you get the latest, or not the latest, you get Java 25 according to the version you use. Okay. Then here is the bin, open the bin. Then click here and copy this path. Right? Click here and copy this entire path. After you copied the path, just click on Window tab, then search for environment variable, right? Edit the system environment variable, search here. After you open it, click on environment variables, then under system variable, go to path, then under click edit, click on new and paste the path, okay? The path you have copied recently, paste here. After pasting, click OK. So after the same code, write in Notepad. Okay, let me write in Notepad. I will just reuse my code I have just written. Okay, so public class main. Okay, I have to create a project again. So let it be. Let me tell you how to run it without an ID. So you have created the file in Notepad, and where you saved the Notepad, just open it there. Okay. Let me create a new file, text document. I'm naming it as new file dot java. Okay, so let me edit the file now. Open with, where is Notepad? I have to search it. Notepad, where is it? Here is the Notepad, just once. Okay, now here I can write public class new file. So you guys may notice one thing, I'm writing the class name, the same name as the file name. It is mandatory for every Java program. Okay. The class which is public, and why it is public, we will discuss it in later. But remember, the class which is public, the class name must be same as the file name. Here I gave the file name as new file, so the class name must be a new file. Okay. So let's write it, public class new file, then public static void main. Write with me, guys. String arts. Then we have system.out.println hello from Notepad. Okay. Don't miss anything, guys. If you miss a single bracket or comma or any quotation, then it will give you error. Okay. So I have created the class, the main method, and in which I am written the system.out.println hello from Notepad. Okay. So let's save it. After saving it, you have to do what? Just open command prompt, kmd, then change the directory to desktop. Not provided, maybe it is in the OneDrive, cd OneDrive. Okay, now cd desktop. Okay, now I have the desktop, I can check it. So where is my Java file? Here is the new file.java. Then what I have to do, what? Now I can type Java C, which stands for Java compiler, new file.java. See, the file is now compiled, and you can see here a new file.class file has been created. It is a .java file. After I clicked Java C, dot java c new file dot java, then a new file dot class file was created. What is this file? Now this file is the bytecode of the program that we created. We wrote the file in the high level language, but the Java C or the Java compiler first converted it into the machine level language. That's why it has the extension of dot class. Okay. So now I got the file, then we can run it. Now how to run it? Now type this Java and file name, new file. See, I get the output hello from Notepad. Okay. Now who was telling he has a Notepad? I guess Amitabh Sabat. Did you get it? This is how you run from Notepad, okay? For anybody else who run in the IDE, let's come back to the IDE and we can here select the current file and now rerun it. So this is hello world, okay? So this is the basic structure, okay? So let me explain it. This is a class keyword stand for creating a class. Now what is class? We will learn it when we'll start OOPS concept, okay? So just I tell you while ago, the class name which is public must be same as the file name. My file name is main.java. That's why I created the class as main, right? Then this is the public static void main. Main is a method and the program execution starts here. Whenever I click on run program, the Java compiler searches for this particular main method. The main you can say it is a keyword or key method. And when I execute any Java program, at first it finds for main method. That's why its class is always public. If it is private, then the compiler cannot access it. Okay, that's why this class is always public, and the name is always same as the file name to find the main method in it. You get it, guys? Got it? Then what is system.out.println? System is a class in which out is an object. And what is class and what is object we are going to learn. So let's focus on println is a method. Just like main is a method, we are writing in which system.out.println. This println itself is a method that takes a parameter as hello world. Okay. So we are also going to learn about methods and parameterized method, non-parameterized method. Okay, and it is mandatory to give semicolon after each and every statement. Suppose I remove the semicolon and now I try to run. Even it is even given the error that is written semicolon expected in line 5. Okay, so I have to give the semicolon. Let me try run it. So here is the error Java semicolon expected line number 5 and column number 42. So let me give the semicolon again. Okay, so now let's come to the variables in Java. Glad to see Octanus is back with experienced developers. Come on, you come on, come on. Okay, so it's glad to see you guys are very interactive this now. Okay, let's continue with variable. Okay, so what are variable? Variable is a name that refers to a memory location where a value is stored. Okay, let me come up with a real life example. Okay, come up, let me ask you what is your name. Okay, so you might say my name is Anand or my name is Prakash. Okay, so let's say you said my name is Anand. Okay, so Java does not recognize this. My name is Anand. What is my name is Anand? Java recognize a particular syntax. So in Java, for declaring variable, we have a syntax. Okay, what is the syntax? The syntax is variable type, data type, which kind of data the variable will store, then the variable name, and what value it stores. So the value it stores. This is the syntax of Java for using variables. Okay. So then there is one thing. If there is a data type, we have to learn the data type first. Okay. So there are mainly two types of data type. One is primitive, another is non-primitive. Okay. So this editor is being sort of. Let me create another MD file to tell you everything. Okay. File. This is Hello. I'm sorry, guys. I think the internet was disconnected somehow. Am I audible now? Anyone can please explain me? Hello. Am I audible? Hello. Yes, sir. That's good to hear. Sir, actually, it's exciting to study with teachers who don't just do the teaching stuff but interact with us also. So it's audible now. Actually, interacting with you makes me feel very excited, and it not makes me feel bored to teach you. That's why I interact with you. Okay, so let's continuing. I am telling the data types. So data types is two types, that is primitive and non-primitive. Considering primitive, we have about 8 primitive data types. Let me tell you, primitive, not primitive. So first comes the byte, then short, then int, then long. Let me type everything first, then I will explain. Can you zoom the screen? Okay, let me try zooming the screen. Okay, I don't need this, so you can go back. Okay, is this fine, Saros? Is this fine, or should I zoom it more? Saros? Anyone else can you reply me? View appearance, here should be the font size. Uh, Toolbar status. Okay, let me just search it. Increase the font size. Okay, let me search it. Font size. Font size. Okay, here we have 13. Let me make it 18. Let's check. Okay, can you see it now? Or no, Control plus is not working, Sagar. It is maybe I have some different ID settings. So is it clear now? Sagar, Sinchan, Saros, is it clear now? Or should I increase the font size more? Ranjit? Yes, sir. So it is okay then? Okay. Then where was I? Okay, I was writing primitive data type, and it is byte, short, int, long, and what else? Char. Then it comes boolean, and what more? Uh, did I left anything? Any guys? Did I left something? Can you tell me? Of course, I left it. If there is number, then there is float or decimal numbers. Float and double. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That makes it 8. Okay. So now non-primitive. Non-primitive types. Okay. Primitive types. So non-primitives come string, then array, class, and what else? Anyone tell me? Okay, so float. Yes, the float is the data type. And now let's learn about the primitive data types. Okay. So first is the primitive data type, that is byte. Okay. So byte, short, int, and long. These are the numeric data types. Okay. So byte, short, int, and long. These are the numeric data types. What is the difference then? The difference is in size. Okay. I told you the syntax to declare a variable is, here's the data type, then define the variable name, then store the value. Okay. So let's do it with an example. Okay. Considering byte, here is byte. It is a keyword, so the color changed to orange. Then the variable name. So let me take the name as age and equal to, suppose name is 15. Sorry, age is 15. Okay. So I can print the age. How to print the age? System dot out dot println, I can simply write the name age. Okay. So you guys have noticed the difference. Here I have wrote within the double quotes, and here I directly wrote the name without double quote. Okay. So what is the difference? When I write this in the double quote, it is a string, directly a data type. Okay. But when I write the age, it is a variable. So I don't need to use the double quotes inside the variables. Okay. Okay. Let me just use the double quote here. Then there is no error, but let me just run it. Okay, you can see the output as hello world and it is age. Okay, but we want 15, but our age is 15. We declared here byte age is equal to 15. So while we printing age, we need the 15. Okay, so that is the way we need to remove the double quote. Okay, we run once again and we got the output hello world and the age is 15. Okay, then comes the question how we combine the variables with the strings. Simply, there is an operator, concatenation operator, that is plus, everyone's favorite operator. We can direct write is plus age. Okay. Then run it again. So hello world we got above, and this is age is 15. Right? I guess everyone understand. Please tell me in the chat. Done it? Who have done it? Please raise your hand. Guys, give me thumbs up. Guys, I'm very thirsty. Give me thumbs up quickly. Ranjit, Sagar, Shruti. Ranjit, yes sir, very good. Sagar, Sinchan, come on. Quick, quick. Debishri Prasad, Kajal Morajkar. Where are you guys? Mansi Rawal. Where are you guys? I cannot see your comments. I want each and everyone to interact with me. Ranjit, yes, you have done it. Anyone else? Come on, guys, do it with me. Sagar Moria. Public class main, public static void main string at system dot out the println hello YouTube. Byte num is equals to 25 system dot out the println num. Very good, Sagar. Did you run it? Saga, did you run it? I guess there is no error in it, so it should run fine. Okay, Shruti will give right to me. That will work. Okay, let's come further. We have done the byte. So what is the difference in integer then? So in byte, we have the size of 1 byte. Okay, in byte, the size is 1 byte. What is 1 byte? 1 byte means we will have it. The range of the byte is minus 128 to 127. Okay. Suppose I write here byte age is equals to 299. Okay. So it gives me the error. And what is the error? Let's see the error. The errors gives incompatible type found ain't required byte. Okay. So it tells us the value 299 ranges out of the range of byte. Why? Because byte ranges only from minus 128 to 127. Okay. It ranges only from is equal to from minus 128 to 127. Okay. Okay, then after byte it comes what? It is sort. Sort is equals to, can you guess? If byte was 1 byte, then sort is the double, 2 bytes. And it is comes under minus 32,768 to 32,767. Okay. So like int long, there will be 4 byte, 8 byte. Int is 4 bytes and long is 8 bytes. Okay. So let me give an example of age. Age is 25. Then sort, let me say it, amount is equal to 25,000. Okay. Then integer. You guys tell me in the comment section what should I take the example of integer. Come on, guys, quickly. I want each and everybody's response. What example do you want as integer and long? Like I gave here by age for byte and amount for short. For int and long, what example do you want? Manasri Rawal. Tell me, everyone, guys, tell me. Okay, let's take the number as a roll number. Roll number is equal to, let it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and never forget the semicolon. Then comes the long Aadhaar. Aadhaar number, let it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2. Okay, don't forget the semicolon. Ranjit, salary. Yes, Ranjit, very good. But we will take the example in the float and decimal. Okay. So you guys notice one thing. Here, age is in the white color and they are in the, what should I say it? Opacity is low. Okay. So it don't give error, but if you see it, what does it say? Large integer number, too large. Okay. We have to mention L when it is long. Okay, noted everyone. When using the long data type, use a letter L. It tells that if this number is a long number and doesn't give the error. Okay. If I remove this number, here is the error integer number too large. Okay. So this number is considered as an integer as long as you don't type L. Okay. So always type L after a long number. Anish Pradhan, sir, what is ID? Anish, ID stands for Integrated Development Environment. It is a workplace where we get various environments to like write codes. And unlike Notepad, you get here like you can see here what is the error, and here is the color decoration, and you can directly run the file instead of going to command prompt. So there is various benefits of using an ID instead of just a Notepad. Notepad is an editor, but ID is the pro version of an editor. Okay, so this is the color is faded because we have not used it. Okay. It says variable amount is never used. That means what? We have initialized the amount as a variable, but we have never used it. Unlike here, the age we have used in the system.out.println, we have age used the variable, but we have not used the variables amount, roll number, and other yet. That's why it shows in the fade color. Okay. Let me just copy. Double the files. Okay. Then age we write amount, then we write roll number, then we write Aadhaar. Okay. Here we can also get the suggestions. Then we run again. See, of course we have not changed the inside string. That's why you say everyone is said age is 25, age is 25,000. We don't want it, so just change it. Amount is, then roll number is, then Aadhaar is. Okay. Now run it again. So here is the output. Hello world, age is 25, amount is 25,000, roll number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and Aadhaar is, and you see here, the L is not shown here. We type the L here. When we initialize the value to a long variable, we use the L, but in the output, the L is not shown. Okay, that is the beauty. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, Anish, for asking and being interactive. It made me very happy. Okay, so coming to the next, here we have discussed the long variables, then comes the decimal points. For decimals, we have two data types, that is float and double. Okay, so float is 4 bytes. It takes 4 bytes space, and double is of 8 bytes. Okay, so let's take example of float and double. Let me declare a float. Float. So what example should I take as a float? Anyone tell me? Guys, tell me what example do you want? I want interactive classes. Guys, CGPA, very good, Shruti. That's a very good example for float. CGPA. Float CGPA is equal to, let me say 8.76. Okay, semicolon. Okay, now it shows error. Let's check the error. And what does it say? it says incompatible type found double required float. Okay, let's first declare the double. Okay, let's take the same example double. Let's take it SGPA. Okay, double SGPA is equal to, let us take 7.89. Okay, so there is no error in double, but it gives the error in float, and it says incompatible type found double required float. That because in float, like in long jet, so like we write the L, in float we have to also write the word F or the letter F. Okay. Always remember while writing the float data type, when initialize the float data type, write the F after you write the float. Else it will be considered as a double. Okay. So now let's print it. S out, that is the shortcut for system.out.println. SGPA, let me write in double quotes. SGPA is, I will concatenate with plus mark, SGPA, and then again plus, and CGPA is, then again plus CGPA. Okay, let's rerun it. Where is the output? Here is the output. Okay, see, here it shows CGPA is 7.89 and SGPA is 7.89 and CGPA is 8.76. Okay, Jeet Santra, why we use L in Aadhaar? Okay, Jeet, see here. When we write a long number, the compiler by default treat it as an integer. Let me remove the L and see here the error. Here in the error it says integer number 2 lads, but I told you that integer number is only of 4 bytes. Okay, 4 bytes, that is the range from 2 to the power minus 31 to 2 to the power 31 minus 1. Okay, it ranges lies between minus 2 to the power 31 to 2 to the power 31 minus 1. Okay, so when I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this is a big number. And this is a very big number for integer range. Okay, that's why it contains the integer number 2 large. But you said that I am considering the data type long. Okay, but the compiler does not treat it as long. It needs a special specifier or identifier, that is the letter L. After writing L, the number is considered as a long number and the error is gone. Okay, did you understand, J. Santra? J. Santra, did you understand? Or should I explain once more? Hello? Okay, sir, very good. So now let's continue. Okay, where was we? Okay, so we discussed the float and double types also. Then comes what? The char and string. Okay, so what is character? Character is any single letter. Okay, character, it is represented within single quotes, that is single quote. Okay, this is single quote. And string, it is represented within double quotes, that is this one. Okay, so here we wrote SGPA is and CGPA is, here wrote hello world, all are in the double quotes, so this is a string. Okay, let's declare a string ourselves. Okay, I write string name is equal to, let me take Shruti. Okay, so I write in double quote. So if I write it without double quote, then it gives me the error. What is the error? Now here it says that cannot resolve symbol Shruti. Okay, because it tells me Shruti is not defined. I told you earlier that if you not use the double quote or single quote, it is treated as a variable, and there is no variable named Shruti. Okay, so it is should be in the double quote. Let me put in the double quote, and then comes the char. Char means a character. Character, let's take the example of grade. Char grade. Okay. So in colleges we have grade, and let's suppose someone has O grade. Okay. So here is the grade O. And let's check what if we put single quote instead of double quotes. Okay. Here single quote and here double quote. See, it gives the error. Too many characters in character letter, line number 21. Okay. In line number 21, it says too many character literal. Every character is a character literal. Okay. So in character, only one character can be present. And what is string? String is a sequence of characters, right? So when giving a single tag or single code, only one single character is allowed. Okay. So now it is a single character, still it gives an error. So the error says incompatible types found character required java.lang.string. Okay, now what is java.lang.string? We will talk about it later. But note that it is a string type, but we are giving it a character. That's why it is showing us the error incompatible types. Okay, so let us write it back again to double quote and type. Okay, string can be of any length. We can even it can be as anything. Okay, so but the character is only fixed one length. Okay, this is character, and if I write high, it gives too many character literal in character. Okay, so the character must be a single character. Okay, did you understand? So the grade should not be H, it should be O for our students. Okay, and let's print it as out name. Let's not forget the concatenation. Name has which grade? Has grade. Okay, let's run it. Okay, here we can see, let me expand it. Here it says Shruti has O grade. Okay, so in rem I store the variable as Shruti and its grade is O. So here you get the output as Shruti has O grade. Okay, everyone understand? Everyone, respond me, guys. Hello. Yes, sir. Understand. Okay, very good. Then comes the Boolean data type. Okay, it is the last primitive data type, Boolean. It simply has two types, that is true and false. Okay, Boolean has only two types. It is either true or false. Ranjit T, yes sir. G Chandra, yes sir. Very good. Okay, let's also take the example of Boolean type. Declare variable Boolean is passed or is failed. Is passed is equal to true. Okay, and Boolean mature is equal to false, because we don't want to be mature, we want to be remain kids. Okay, so let's print it as out. Let's take name past pa. Oh sorry, I typed the control double times, that's why that open. Past then plus each past. Okay, here don't forget the concatenation, otherwise it will give us the error. Then one more line, is mature it is mature. Okay, so now let's run it. Manasi Rawal, yes, very good. So Shruti passed. Oh, I forgot the space here. That's why it's sort like this. So here it shows Shruti passed true and Shruti is mature is false. Okay. So Java is a case sensitive language. Okay. That means what? Capital A and small a is different things. Okay. Notice one thing. Here in system, the S is capital. Okay, everywhere in system, S is capital. But in where I'm using byte, short, int, long, that's some starting from small letter. Okay, but while declaring the variable name, it can be of any letter. Okay, I can give as string anything is equals to anything. Okay, but this is the not the right format. Okay, we have three cases of writing the variable names. Okay, first one is camel case. Okay, let me not write here. Let's come to here. Okay, first one is camel case. Then second one is Pascal case. Third one is snake case. Okay, you guys might have noticed what this case would look like how I wrote this. In camel case, the first letter of the word is always small and the second word starts with a capital name. Okay, let's give an example. Is past, like I discussed. Okay, here it should be like this: is past, and in next case is past. Okay, taking another example, my name is Rohan. Okay, same example, my name is Rohan. Third example, my name is Rohan. These are the three standard rules to write your variable names. Okay. So where this is used, the camel case is often used for writing the method names or variable names. Okay. The Pascal case is often used for writing the class names. Okay. Remember, guys, the class name always starts with the capital letter. Here the main is capital letter and here the main is small letter. Okay. If I write the M small, then it will give us the error. Okay. Class main is public, should be declared in a file name main.java. Okay. So either I have to change this file name to small m or this should be capital M. Okay. Everyone clear about this? So this is not the right way to declare variable. We should write something like, guys, you give example. I don't see anyone interacting with me. Can you give me example? Ranjit, Jit, Mansi, yes sir. Okay. Shruti, Anish Raj, Sagar Maurya, Mansi Raul. It's good to see you guys are active, but I want more activeness. Otherwise, I feel lazy. Okay. So this is all about the primitive data types. And coming to the non-primitive data types, we have different chapters on that. That were string, array, class, interface. We will have the different sessions on this. Okay. And now let's come to the operators. Okay. Operators. So what is an operator? Operator is a operation that is held between two operands. Okay. Operator performs a operation between one or two operands. Okay. You got it? So what are the different types of operator we get? Okay. There are different types of operator in many languages. Let's consider in Java. We have arithmetic operator, arithmetic. Then we have relational. Then we have logical. Then we have assignment. Then we have unary. Then we have ternary. Then bitwise. Okay. So in arithmetic operator, what does we have? We have the plus operator. Everyone knows the arithmetic operators. Tell me, guys, tell me what are the arithmetic operators? Tell me quick. The operators we use in the mathematics. Tell me. Plus and what's more? Tell me, guys, quick. Tell me. I cannot see anyone commenting. Is my internet is lacking and or really anyone is not commenting? Sagar Maurya, Ranjit, Shruti, Mansi. What does Amitabh Sabat, Kajal? New comments, okay. Jeet, Santra, plus minus multiplication division. Very good. Ranjit, minus division equals to. Ranjit, you made one mistake. Equal to is not an arithmetic operator. Okay. We will discuss what is equal to. Okay. Uh, Minus division mod is right answer, but equal to is not arithmetic operator. Equal to will come under assignment operator. We'll discuss about it. Sagar Moria minus integration divide plus very good. J Santra plus minus multiple division. Shruti plus minus multiple divider very good. Okay, so let's write plus minus multiplication division and modulus operator. Okay. So relational operator. What is relational operator? Nah, equal to, not equals to, then greater than, greater than is equals to, less than, and less than is equal to. Okay. Then in logical, we have logical and, we have logical or, and we have not operator. Okay. In assignment, okay, let me change the equal to as, let me change the equal to colon because people would get confused. Arithmetic, is there a spelling mistake? Arithmetic, it should be maybe. Okay, now it's gone. So, okay, in assignment operator, we have the, what does we have? We have equals to operator, plus is equals to, minus is equals to, star is equals to, divisor is equals to, and mod is equals to. Okay. Then in unary operator, we have plus plus, minus minus, plus, and minus. Okay. Then in ternary operator, ternary is a specific operator in which we have question mark and colon. Okay. It will be used in if else. Okay. Then at last here comes the bitwise operator, that is bitwise and, bitwise or, then bitwise XOR. It is called as bitwise XOR, then bitwise negation, then left shift, then right shift. Okay, this much. So these are the operators we are going to learn. Okay. So I guess this is time for today. We will learn tomorrow on operators and further move. Okay, so anyone, do you have any doubts? You can ask me. Let us recap once more of what does we have learned till now. Okay. Instance of operator. Okay, instance of operator is a keyword that tells us the type of operator. Let me just show you. Okay, let's just type as s out. Okay, no, not like this. Let's use the if else condition. Okay, what is if else condition? I will teach you tomorrow. Let's just Sagar Moria asked us the use of instance of operator. Let's tell you. Instance of operator gives us the I think gives us the boolean value maybe. Okay, let's write uh, if hi, then s out, hi is a string. Okay, so it is giving us some error. Let us see that condition high instead of true. Okay, it is saying that condition high instance of java.lang string is always true. Okay, so let's ignore that. We don't have anything to do. Let's run. So high is a string. Okay, so it says that high is a string and it is an instance of java.lang string class. Okay, so the job of instance of operator is to find the object comes under which class. Okay, if the object is an instance of the particular class, then it returns true, otherwise it returns false. Okay, so anyone else doubt, ask me. What is home from it, I'm chat GPT. So there is no comment. So I don't think anyone else has any doubt. So let's revise one last time for today's class. Okay, this is notepad. Okay, here is the IntelliJ. So what did we done today? We learned how to install Java and Java compiler, the JDK, and we learned here the different types of data types, primitive and non-primitive, how to declare a variable. Okay, this should be variable, not variable. Okay, how to declare a variable, and the variable types, the range and its size. Then we learned how to use the operators, and we see the boilerplate code of the Java, and we discuss some history of Java. That's all. And okay, here is streaming. Please repeat. Which one do you want to repeat, Jeet Chantra? What do you want me to repeat? Jeet Chantra, which part do you want me to repeat? Last topic. You mean instance of topic? Instance of keyword, you mean? Jeet Chantra? Hello? You mean the instance of topic, Jeet, right? Okay, let me tell it once again. So my second screen is gone, so I have to split now because it is the time is over already. Okay. So if we write the instance of operator, this works like uh, is data type or any variable or any value is an instance of something. Okay. So this string is an object, and what is object and what is class we will run in coming days. Okay. I promise you I will tell what is object and any other thing that is required to all OOPS concept. Okay. So consider high is the object of string. The string comes under Java class in the lang. Okay. So it returns true, instance of returns true if this high is a part of or instance of this class or string class. Okay. So if I write 5, okay, so it is giving us the error. What is give us the error? Cannot cast into java.lang.string. Okay. So let me change this to integer. Integer. Okay, string primitive types and patterns, instance of which are not supported at language level 19. Okay, so instance of is a keyword that works with classes and objects. Okay, so here string is a class and this object, this is the object of a string high. Okay, so if this object is a part of the string or an instance of string, then this keyword will return us the true. Okay, and if it is not, let me, it's a character, it is a character, then it will give us the error. Okay, that's the thing. I will explain it further classes, so don't be any panic. I will explain this very shortly in some time in next classes, coming classes. Okay, so anyone has any more doubts, or should we just wind up? I don't see any other interaction. Everyone, I want all of you to please tell me. Sagar Moria, did you get your question? Sagar Moria, Mansi, Amitabh, Shruti, Ranjit. Do you guys have any more doubts for today's session? In today's session, we learned into the types of operators, and we'll learn in detail in tomorrow classes. The arithmetic relational, what does it do? How does they work? We will learn in detail about tomorrow's class. Okay. For today, this is it. Amitabh Sabat, no sir. Okay, what doubt do you have, Amitabh Sabat? Tell me. Ranjit, understood. Very good. Amitabh, Amitabh, Shruti. Okay, tell me your doubts, Amitabh and Shruti. I will clear it now. Just comment it, Amitabh and Shruti. I'm waiting for your comments. Jeet, no, sir. I don't get what are you guys saying no to. Can you please write in detail? You are saying that you have no doubt or you did not understood. I need to know it properly. Thank you so much, sir. Such a great class. Oh, thank you, Shruti. Actually, you guys are amazing that you guys are interacted with me that I did not feel any lazy. No doubts at all. Thank God. Very good, Jeet. Very good. Everyone, please one round of applause for me for teaching this group. Lol. Okay, Amitabh, you understood very good. I mean, I have no doubt. Okay, very good. So I guess this is it for today's session. Let's wind up and uh, hold your beer 24 hours, sorry, 23 hours for tomorrow 6 p.m. We will continue where we left. And I want you guys to practice this and on your own. And if you have any doubts, please ask me. I will give you 5 to 10 minutes in tomorrow's session. Okay. So this is it for today. Thank you for your time. See you tomorrow.